Coco Chanel Eau de Toilette. My serums will brighten your complexion, get rid of acne scars, age spots, sunspots. It's anti-wrinkle, anti-aging, and it's going to tighten your skin, brighten your complexion. And this is literally like God in a jar. This is for day and night. This is going to give you like 24-hour hydration. Slay! It's retinol, hyaluronic acid, avocado oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E. So for my skincare, I'm going to go in with, if I can speak. Oh. Tickles. Hey guys, get ready with me to go to bed. We're gonna put her back in her little house. Cute. I have to tell you guys, people don't understand. I literally have a child. First, we got Ralph Lauren. This is men's stuff. My brother's birthday is August 6th. He's a Leo. We have a red t-shirt with a polo. We have a navy one. We have a hoodie. I love hoodies. The yellow pony. We have a dress shirt. I bought this for my mom. This is Tory Burch. Kind of reminds me of a Cartier watch. That's why I got it, because I think it's super pretty. The watch looks like this. I have to tell you guys, if you want people to stop you and become obsessed with you, I would highly suggest mix the classic Coco Chanel Eau de Parfum. I got the Eau de Toilette because they were out, and then the Yves Saint Laurent Eau de Parfum, a Libre. It's very spicy. Just together, it's freaking amazing. I really like the hardware on it. It's DKNY. I just think it's super cute. I think it's super cute, and I love the black and the gold. So you can wear it like this, right? Or you can drop this can be like a crossbody. If you want to wear it around your shoulder, you pull it back up. So I'm really, really loving this. Hey guys, get ready with me to go to bed. Okay, so I was at the pool all day. I don't have much makeup on, just like a lipstick, blush, and eyeliner. This is not my hair. These are extensions. I'm going to start with taking my jewelry off. It gets all over my hair, and I just can't deal with it. We're gonna put her back in her little house. I am too lazy to wash my face. Like I said, I don't really have makeup on. Today I used my velour liquid lipstick, which is waterproof, vegan, organic, cruelty-free. I've named this shade Blessed Be. That's what's on my face. And then I also put on my cheeks. This has been on my lips all day. It's waterproof. So we're going to take her off. You can use my velour liquid lipsticks and take it and apply it by itself, or take a brush, use it as eyeshadows, as eyeliner, blush, lipstick. It's really amazing. You can just throw this in your bag, just put it on, and it's not going to come off. I'm going to take whatever is on my face off my face. Neutrogena. This is a must if you buy my products. My lipsticks are waterproof. And it doesn't come off, which is great. But when you're trying to get ready for bed, you need to go hardcore. So I'm really going to take the rest and just take everything off. Like I said, I'm really lazy. It's literally like midnight or 1 o'clock. I don't know what time it is. It's late. So I'm not gonna wash my face, but girl, you should wash your face, and I'll show you guys what to wash your face with. My 24 karat gold collagen soap for face and body is a must. It's gonna make you look flawless, but I'm too lazy to get up and wash it. Just gonna use my Garnier Skin Active vegan formula soothing facial mist, rose water. I'm just gonna do this. Yes, bitch. Ah, it's so amazing. I love this stuff. So I'm just gonna gonna let her sit. So for my skincare, I'm gonna go in with, if I can speak. So for my skincare, I'm gonna go with my 24 karat gold collagen night serum. This is a thicker consistency. It's gold in it. Over the rose facial mist. Like I said, my face is really clean. I didn't have foundation or powder or concealer or any of that on. Slay. And then I'm going to go in with my 24 karat gold collagen face cream. This is for day and night. This is going to give you like 24-hour hydration. It's retinol, hyaluronic acid, avocado oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E. My serums will brighten your complexion, get rid of acne scars, age spots, sunspots. It's anti-wrinkle, anti-aging, and it's going to tighten your skin, brighten your complexion. And this is literally like God in a jar. Guys want to purchase my skincare products, go to EllieArketShop.com. Tickles. I picked up my two favorite perfume. I'm gonna do an unwrapping for you guys. This is the classic Coco Eau de Toilette Chanel. And I love mixing my perfumes. It just makes it smell so weird and different, and no one can like copy it, but I'll give you guys my secret. So I like to mix Coco Chanel, Eau de Toilette, Yves Saint Laurent, Libre. This is very spicy, amber, vanilla. So they kind of complement each other. This is a little bit more spicy. This is a little bit more sweet. So I'm going to unwrap it. I'm definitely going to put some on tonight before I go to bed. So this is so sexy on its own. Like, yes. So satisfying, especially when I throw it right behind me for my maid to clean up. Of course, I got the huge one because I go through perfumes like crazy. So we're gonna mix this. Oh my god, yes. So I like to wear perfume when I go to bed because then my bed smells like good, you know. So I highly suggest mixing these two: Yves Saint Laurent Coco Chanel Eau de Toilette, and this is other perfume, the strong one. So the dark one, the YSL, the dark one is the perfume. So like I said, I got this from my mom, but she said it's too small, and this is the box that it came in. It's Tory Burch. It's very elegant, very beautiful. It's 18 karat gold. It kind of reminds me of Cartier watches, but like not as expensive. So I said, okay mom, that's fine, I'll wear it myself. Anyways, I just finished my skincare routine and now I'm gonna go to bed with Paris. Guys enjoyed this quick get ready with me and my skincare routine, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we're gonna do like a cool get ready with me look of the day, do my makeup because I gotta catch up with my videos. I've been like MIA. If you guys want me to teach you how to manifest anything in your life, health, wealth, success, happiness, love, marriage, go ahead and book a session with me, EllieArket.com. I am offering one-time free consultation for returning clients or new clients, EllieArket.com. If you guys want to purchase my makeup and skincare, everything's vegan, organic, cruelty-free. It's literally no-brainer. My makeup and skincare products are amazing. EllieArketShop.com, and thanks for watching.